Good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 13. This week, we're really getting moving with our research essays. So your reading for this week is a chapter on research concepts you'll see here in week 13 materials. The other things we've done before, so you're going to do the large group workshop and work through a student sample paper, so you'll get an idea of what's working for student writers and what's not, and what you want to apply to your own writing and what you don't want to apply to your own writing. The same goes for the small group workshops. I've put you in the same groups as last time, and hopefully that will work out well again. Please keep in touch as you complete these assignments. I'm still working on responding to your rhetorical analysis essays. I finished 2 of my classes and yours is up next. So hopefully in the next couple days you'll hear back from me with response so you can apply that as you move forward into your final essay. Things start to move really fast now until the end of the semester, so make sure you're keeping up with everything and checking in with me if you have any questions. Have a great week.